Bammby Dating App Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. If you're looking for a new way to meet people, Bammby promises connections, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's completely free or that all features are included in the base app. The surprising truth is that Bammby operates on a freemium model, where messaging and visibility depend on subscription levels. The free tier allows profile creation, swiping, and limited messaging. Premium subscriptions start around $99 per month for basic perks like unlimited swipes and boosts. Higher tier plans reaching $99 monthly unlock advanced features such as seeing who liked your profile, access to exclusive matches, and priority messaging. Payment is typically monthly, but annual plans often offer savings. What you get: expanded visibility, unlimited interactions, and a smoother user experience. What you give up: a small recurring fee, but it increases your chances of meaningful matches. Free users often face delays in replies or restricted features, so understanding subscription benefits is key. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Start with a free plan to test usability. Step 2. Compare subscription tiers for features you value most. Step 3. Factor in monthly or annual cost versus expected value. Step 4. Monitor engagement to decide if an upgrade is worthwhile. You won't believe what happens next if you stick to free features only. Many profiles remain hidden or unmatched. The surprising truth is that investing in a subscription strategically can drastically improve your dating experience without overspending. In conclusion, Bammby's pricing reflects added convenience, visibility, and feature access. By understanding what each tier offers, you ensure your money maximizes your chances of connecting with compatible people.